Named ranges are a great way when we've got multiple variables where we want to actually give that variable a name that we can use in any of our calculations later. So let's go through and look at our movie data and see how we can create named ranges. Okay, so we're going to start by selecting column B, and to do that we're going to select the B at the top. And when we do that, we're going to be able to give this column a name. And in this example, we're going to call it director. And what's useful then is we can now use that term in any of our calculations. So we're going to scroll over to the right, and we're going to use the function equals count A. So you'll notice as I'm doing this, there's a count and a count A. What's useful about count A is it's going to count all of the cells that have values in them. So if I have a cell that does not have a director's name in it, it's not going to count that as one of our values. So with count A then, I can start typing in director, and as soon as I type in DIR, it's going to recognize that I have a named range. So I can select director and then close my parenthesis, and I get the value 4,940. So as we see, if we go back to our column B and scroll down, we'll notice that there are some empty cells. So as we scroll all the way to the bottom, we have 5,044, which is really 5,043 rows since we have a header, and we have several missing directors' names. So we can tell that that value is going to be valid.